Welcome to the Oracle Cloud Platform Partner Update. I'm Jürgen Kress, your host, and part of the Oracle Product Management team to support you as a partner. This month's topics include free hands-on Oracle integration bootcamps for you as a partner, the Oracle Hospitality Innovation Week, and our community webcast. So let's get started. Oracle integration allows you to connect SaaS solutions like HCM, ERP, and CX with pre-built adapters to accelerate your project. For SaaS consultants and integration developers, we offer 3 days hands-on training. Spring schedules include March 16th to 19th in Portuguese for the South American market, March 30th to April 1st in Spanish, and April 6th to 8th in English for the EMEA time zone. Registration is free of charge. For details, please see the partner community newsletter. We do give preference to partners who indicate customer projects and opportunities in the registration. Integration in the hospitality industry is complex. PMS systems like Opera need to be connected to CRM systems like Oracle Sales Cloud. Based on the Oracle Hospitality Integration Platform, developers can access APIs to access Opera. Oracle Integration Cloud offers pre-built adapters to connect with Oracle SaaS, third-party adapters, and technology adapters. Join the Oracle Hospitality Innovation Week to learn more from March 22nd to March 25th. Registration is open at bit.ly/Opera OIC 2021. The community webcast takes place March 30th. Louis Weyer and Neil Kominski will present Oracle Integration Cloud and OHIP, a match in heaven, including a live demonstration. Join us March 30th, 4:30 CET. For registration, please visit bit.ly/PassWebcast March 2021. To wrap up today's presentation, in case you are not yet a member in the partner community, please register. Attend one of the upcoming hands-on bootcamps to become a certified Oracle integration expert. Join the Hospitality Innovation Week and tune in our community webcast March 30th. Thanks for watching.